The SUMIF function in Excel is used to sum cells that meet multiple criteria or conditions. So let's see how to use it. Here I have data set, a sales data set of different columns: sales, products, region, unit sold, unit price, total sales, and date. Now if I want to confirm the total sales by a salesperson called Ali in the northern region, what I will do is to say okay equals, I'll type equals and type sum if. You can see something is the third one. I'll press the tab key to select it, and then I want to start with the sum range. You can see here it says sum range. I'll select the cells I want to add up, the range of cells I want to add up. So I'll select that. I'll press comma. Then I want to select the criteria range. Now the range that has your criteria, the first criteria is Ali. So I will select the entire range that has Ali, that has the criteria that has Ali, and I'll press comma. Now what comes next is the criteria itself. Now that's Ali's. Now what comes next now is the second criteria. Now or second criteria range rather. So the not is next criteria, and then it falls under this column. So I'll select everything there as my second criteria's range. Now press comma and type the actual criteria or condition, and in quote I'll type not. Then I'll close the quote and then close the bracket and press enter on the keyboard. Now this will give me the entire sales by Ali in the north region. Now let's look at the second example. Let's use the SUMIF function to get the total sales for laptop, as you can see in the east region. So two conditions: product should be laptop and the region should be east. So I'll press equal sign. Now type sum I. So it comes up. I'll press my arrow key down and I'll press tab to select it. Now I want to then go for I want to get the sum range. The sum range will be this entire cells under the total sales column I want to add up. Then comma. Now next up is the criteria range, where I have products. That's the product column, all the cells there. I'll select it. Then I'll comma. The criteria itself as laptop. I'll type that in quotes, comma. Then I want to then select the criteria, second criteria range. Second criteria is east, so cells under region is what I'll select as the second criteria range. Then comma followed by the criteria itself, that's east, and I'll close the bracket and press enter. Now this will give me the total sales for laptop in the east region. So let's try it for this one also. Total sales sold by Zainab for keyboard. Press equals. I'll press sum if. I'll press the tab key to select it. Then I want to get the sum range, as you can see here. That's everything here. Now press comma. Next up, the criteria range. The first criteria range, Zainab falls here, so I'll select everything there. Then I'll type the criteria itself, that's Zainab. Then I would then select the second criteria range, and that's everything under the product column. I will select that as the second criteria range. Then comma, then type the actual criteria that you are checking. So I'll type keyboard, closing quote and brackets. Now when you press enter, you get the total sales accruing from Zainab only from the sales of keyboards.